I'm going to show you how to go to Google Maps and place 3 points or 3 pins so you have 3 points of interest. So I made this Google Maps a link here, so you can just click on that and it'll take you over to Google Maps. Once that opens, you want to go to the upper left-hand corner to the menu. If I click on that, I want to choose Your Places. It's about halfway down. And it'll bring up a new menu. On the right-hand side here, I'm going to click on Maps. Then you probably don't have anything here because I have a shared map, but down here at the very bottom, we want to click on Create Map. Give it a second to load here, and it should load with the United States. Yep, here we are. So you're going to enter in your first address, and I recommend you just do your home address. So I'm just going to do 1200 Broad Avenue as my home address. And so it shows you like this little green pen here. It gives you the address. We're going to click on Add to Map. If I click on Add to Map, what it's going to do is still gives you all the details, but down here in the bottom left-hand corner, it gives us the latitude and longitude. You're going to need that for your project. Okay, we can get it again, but it's easiest if you just write it down now. All right, now I'm going to type in my next one. I'm just going to make this up. Let's see. Let's go North Main Street. Let's see, there's one in New Carlisle. Okay, I'm going to add it to my map. And then here's another one in Springfield. So I have 3 addresses I'm adding to my map. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to zoom out. Okay, so you can use the zoom out down in the bottom left-hand corner. My goal is to get all 3 of my pins on my map. So here you can see I have my 3 blue pins here. Okay, so you are going to need to snip a picture of this. So if you're on your Chromebook, remember use your snipping tools, or if you have a laptop or a different device, I'm just going to use my snipping tool here. We're going to snip a picture of this and place it into your project. Now, while I'm here, if you need to find those latitude and longitudes again, you go back and you click on each one. Okay, the address is over here on the left. Right? If you click on each one, it's going to show you your latitude and longitude.